Grace Kitchens, in association with the Culinary Federation of Jamaica, presents the Chef's Invitational Challenge on Creative Cooking. 8 chefs, 1 goal: to create the most exciting new recipes using Grace Convenience Foods and local produce, and to be the top chef of the challenge. Now, meet today's chefs and your host, Maisie Miller.
Hello there. Let's introduce you to today's challengers. To my left is Chef
George Matthews, personal chef, Kingston.
And to my right is
Kirk Myers, Sandals Royal Caribbean.
Chef George Matthews. What are you preparing for us today?
Well, today, Maisie, I'm doing a simple dish for you. I'm doing a Spiced Mackerel Au Gratin.
Okay. And Chef Myers, what are you preparing?
I'm doing Sweet Potato Polenta with mackerel and also stuffed chicken breast.
Gentlemen, you know the rules. You have 40 minutes to prepare the meal, 5 minutes to plate and present to the judges. And here are your judges: Mrs. Paulette Rhoden, a certified professional chef and the director of Crimson Dawn Limited. Mr. Steve Sowa, executive chef of Half Moon Hotel and vice president of the Culinary Federation of Jamaica. And Dr. Janet Dyer, the CEO of the Runaway Bay Heart Hotel and Training Institute. The challenge begins now. Chef Kirk.
I'm just cutting these thin so I can have them cook quicker.
Okay, and that's sweet potatoes,
Yes,
right?
it is.
Okay.
So I'm prepping to saute my seasonings.
Tell us what you're doing there, Chef.
All right, I'm making sweet potato polenta. So I've just added into my stock some coconut milk.
Yes.
I'm going to stir this. I've just added some callaloo to my polenta as well.
Okay.
And I'm going for some tin mackerel. So add just a little bit more liquid to this.
Yes.
We have to cut them first in bâtonnets.
Yes, okay.
Then get them to dices.
Okay. You have added what?
I've also added some gungo peas as well in the mixer. And some red bell peppers for your color. Now I'm adding my mackerel.
Okay. What is that you're working there with,
All right,
Chef?
now I'm starting my stuffed chicken breast.
Okay.
I'm going to add the Grace Vienna sausages with this, with some mixed vegetables as well.
Okay. I see you just sprinkled some salt on the garlic. What is the purpose? Tell me about that.
All right, I want to get it into a bit of paste.
Okay.
So it helps to break down the garlic into a paste which I want.
Okay. Chef, tell me what is happening over here.
I'm just going to season my breast right now.
Okay.
Add some Grace all-purpose seasoning here.
Yes.
With salt, little black pepper, using onion and garlic.
When we're doing anything in the kitchen, uniformity is a key.
Yes.
So we need to get them on uniform cuts.
Yes.
So our presentation would be to the highest level.
Can we look what is happening over there? Okay.
Yeah.
About to kind of sort of leave the sides of the pan easily.
Yeah.
Okay. You saying that potato slices are ready to be drained?
Yes, they
Okay.
are.
Okay. Oh, interestingly, the potatoes is going to be combined, Chef, with the cornmeal dish.
Yes, it is.
When having mackerel, sometimes I don't like the center bone.
I hear you, Chef.
So sometimes I rather removing them.
Okay.
I'm
Grace-
just crushing the Grace Vienna sausages.
Okay.
So my chopped seasoning as well. A little salt, a little pepper. It's beautiful, right?
It is beautiful.
Last but not least, just a little butter to this.
We now invite our chief judge to join me in the kitchen to see what the chefs have lined up for us.
Afternoon, chefs.
Hey chef, how are you doing?
Very well. thank
Hey,
you.
chef.
Looks interesting.
Am I seeing right over here, Chef? You have finished making cooking this on top of the stove, and you have transferred this to a baking pan, actually, not a baking sheet
Yes.
in this case. Yes. Interesting. Interesting. Chef, you are sauteing seasonings here.
Yes, Maisie.
Wow. You're cutting carrots now, Chef.
Yes, Maisie. I'm doing my vegetable garnish.
Okay, I'll come back again in a few minutes.
Okay, thank you, Chef.
Okay.
What cuts are you making, Chef?
These are bâtonnets.
Okay. Chef, what are you doing over here?
I'm just tying my chicken together now properly. So
Oh, you're grilling. Okay.
I'm blanching my scallions because
yeah,
I'm gonna
okay.
make a little bundles of our veg, so we're gonna tie them together.
Oh, notice you put equal amounts in each bundle, right?
Yes.
Okay. Chef Kirk, you had bacon strips in the oven before,
Yes.
right?
What this will do is increase the flavor on chicken as well.
Oh, so you're actually using cookie cutters to cut those?
Yes, yes.
Are they going to be grilled, Chef?
Yes, we're doing that. Just adding to our grill right now.
20 minutes has gone out of your allotted time. Chef, you are using sweet potatoes and you are using that to layer. Are those
Base of
serving
our
dishes,
gratin.
Chef?
Yes, we're gonna
Okay.
serve directly from the dishes.
Okay.
So I'm gonna pop these in the oven.
Yes.
So I'm looking for a nice golden crust on top.
Right over here now, I'm going to make a sauce, tomato sauce, some scotch bonnet peppers.
Okay. Okay.
We're just using just a bit of the seeds. We want to kick, just a little kick from the peppers, but not
Okay.
too much.
Chef George Matthews, you have layered the sweet potatoes and you are topping that with the Grace Mackerel.
Yes.
You are going to blend something here, Chef.
We got some onion, some garlic
Yes.
as well. We have some fresh basil.
Yes. Okay. What is that you're putting on, Chef?
This is a feta cheese.
Chef Myers, you're removing the polenta rounds from the grill.
Yes.
Oh. Are they keeping their shape?
Yeah.
Tell us what you're doing there, Chef.
Just adding some oil to this pot.
Yeah.
This is some miniature frying.
I'm topping with a breadcrumb, not right now, Maisie, and this would give it a bit more crunch.
Chef Steve, can I invite you to come again?
We just add the breadcrumb to our gratins. Now we're going to place them in the oven.
What is that you're cutting there, Chef?
Some ginger. So I have fresh basil, sweet ginger, and just a little bit of papaya in a bowl here. Just making somewhat like a quick little salsa.
Okay, Maisie.
Okay, thank you, Chef. Thanks. Green plantain, Chef. What
Yes.
are you using green plantain for?
Make a buffet for my garnish for my plate.
Okay. You're frying your garnishes, right, Chef?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
So we're going to put them in our
saute pan.
saute pan
Yes.
to develop some more flavors.
That's it, guys. No more cooking time. You have 5 minutes to plate. Time is up. Please stop working. How was the experience, guys?
Wow.
How was it? How was it? How was it?
Wow.
How was it? How was it?
That's fun.
It was fun. Now it's all up to the judges. One chef will move on to the next round. One chef will go home. Tune in for the judges' verdict this Friday evening at 7:50 p.m. Please don't miss it.
Grace Kitchens, in association with the Culinary Federation of Jamaica, presents the Chef's Invitational Challenge on creative cooking, taking Grace Convenience Foods to a new level. Who will be the top chef of the challenge? Join CVM TV for Creative Cooking every Tuesday and Friday at 7:50 p.m.